By simply replacing the front wheel of the bike you already own, it will turn into an electric bike and take your cycling to the next level. It flattens out the hills and beats down any headwinds. It shortens the distance by making it faster and getting to your destination without breaking a sweat. Urban X electric wheel fits any size and type of bike, either V-brake or disc brake, so you can enjoy the benefits of an electric bike while keeping the bike you already have. It comes in either throttle version or pedal assist version. The choice is yours. All the components, including motor, battery, and other electronics, are well contained within the wheel. Just a few steps of quick installation and a new electric bike is ready to ride. We've engineered an app that lets you choose whether or not to use its features like distance and speed tracking, battery life readouts, and ride mapping. If those aren't for you, then enjoy the wheel free from any device. The innovative detachable battery makes it possible to extend your range instantly, while the built-in USB outlet can keep your phone or other devices always charged. Want to start biking to work? Urban X helps you arrive fresh without breaking a sweat. Want to ride but facing health conditions or aging issues? Urban X eliminates all these obstacles to help you run your daily errands. Want to spend more time outdoors? You can now ride without worrying about upslopes or long distances. With speed of up to 20 miles per hour and the ability to travel up to 30 miles with one single battery, your venture can take you further. Urban X is all about fun, recreation, freedom, and accessibility. Our dream is to kickstart the bike revolution and make cycling popular again.